Most likely to snore on tour would be Jacob. He is just so loud when he's awake. I have a feeling he'd be loud when he's sleeping too. There he is. Hi, Jacob. Hi, Jacob. I love you.
I love to sleep. Oh my God.
Jacob is definitely most likely to snore on the tour because he's always falling asleep.
I could just see him after, after a good meal, because Jacob can fall asleep anywhere. He'll fall asleep on a concrete floor. And I could just see him just falling, his mouth dropping.
Most likely to snore on tour, Jacob.
Most likely to snore on tour would be Paul or Jacob, because they just look like snorers.
Casey. I bet he snores like a bear.
Well, maybe Haley, because she growls. Like what you say, I don't know. I've actually been Haley's roommate, so I don't think she snored.
Probably Jacob or Paul. They find any kind of nook and cranny to fall asleep in, and usually we make fun of Paul because you can see like his boots just popped out of like some little corner, and you're like, is that really him, or is that like the Wicked Witch of the West with her shoes popping out? I don't even know.
Most likely Jacob. So, but we'll be on separate buses, so I don't mind it at all.
Yes, most likely to snore, Jacob Lusk. I roomed with him for a long time, and yeah, he's a snorer. But it's good. He'll pass out, and you can do anything in that room, and he won't wake up. So that sounded bad.
Most likely to play practical jokes is definitely James Durbin. He will do it at the most inappropriate times. He will fart in the microphone. He will slap your butt. He will pull your chair out when you're about to sit down. I saw him do it to a granny.
Most likely to play practical jokes would probably be me or James.
Most likely to play a practical joke on tour would probably be me. I'm always farting into the mic. Not real farts, but like that.
I don't know if I could do it. He goes, I don't think I could do it. I can't do it.
He plays too much. He just needs a whooping. He just needs a good whooping. He just needs one. Just one.
Probably James. I bet you, I don't know, me and James, we're gonna pull some pranks. I plan on slapping some baloney on some faces on this tour, you know?
Most likely to pull a practical joke on someone would be Paul, because that's all the man knows how to do. And sing.
Paul. Or James. Paul or James. Or me. Practical jokes are fun.
Oh gosh, all the guys are so funny. James, Stefano, Paul, or Casey. Because, I mean, we've experienced that when we lived together in the mansion. James definitely pranked me a few times, and Paul's hilarious. So.
I know Casey wouldn't do that at all. Casey's not kind of, he's not a jokester. He gets too serious at times, honestly.